Assalamu alaikum, greetings, alishanmao here and welcome to more smartphone reviews on my channel. Today in this video I'm going to unbox and review very quickly and briefly the Doogee S61 Pro rugged Android smartphone in budget. In the box I received the phone, I received the additional back covers, yes we'll talk about that, a love letter from Doogee, and check this out. I also received an AJ01 Smart Glasses from Doogee, which have open ear speaker, HD stereo sound, music and call control, Polaroid lenses, connects with the Bluetooth. Don't be confused or fooled by the word smart glasses. There's nothing like screens or stuff that you see on these glasses. It's only glasses with open ear Bluetooth headphones, so you can connect it to your phone and play music on these. We'll unbox this in this video as well, so let's get to work. Let's take a closer look at the Doogee S61 Pro, the rugged Android smartphone. Check this out. Nice. I can peel this off as well, but for now I would just keep it. Look at that. Transparent back cover, which is of course replaceable, and they have provided you with 3 replaceable covers: black, carbon fiber, and wood grain. I personally like the wood grain because after replacing it, it will give you very premium look on your budget smartphone and make it look like an expensive one. Okay, but once again, personally, I like the transparent design on the back. The phone design is nice and compact, fits in hand. It's not heavy, comfortable to hold, nice and tough corners. There is no raised edge on the corners to protect the screen, so a drop like this or drop this way might shatter the screen. We'll check that later. On the right side we have volume buttons, on off button with the fingerprint sensor. Down here we have USB-C. Then at the left side we have a custom key button, okay, and of course you can insert 2 SIM cards, including a TF card to increase the storage. Regarding the cameras, in S61 Pro model you get 48 megapixel AI cameras, double cameras. One is 20 megapixel. Down here you have a 20 megapixel Sony IMX night vision camera, and top here you have the 48 megapixel main camera. Now when it comes to the front camera, on the S61 Pro you get lucky to get a 16 megapixel front camera, but on Doogee S61 you get only 8 megapixel camera. Now on the top of the phone, the thing people are gonna appreciate, old school people, is that there is a 3.5 millimeter jack right here, so that you can plug your old school headphones. Like I have my Sony headphones that I simply love the quality of sound in those, so I will be able to plug those in right here and listen to music. By the way, it came with the AJ01 Smart Glasses from Doogee. These are not the kind of smart glasses where you use these glasses as a screen and see things and can do things. No, they are just, well, they should call them audio glasses or headphone glasses, because you have built-in open ear speakers right here, so when you put on the glasses you can connect it via the Bluetooth to your phone and listen to music. The phone is running Helio G35 octa-core processor, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM in S61 Pro model. It has a 6-inch HD plus 720x 1440 display. The phone is running Android 12 system. It has a built-in 5180 milliamp battery. Here's a video of my room shot with Doogee S61 Pro. Out of the lighted areas, I need to find time to fly my stuff and stop doing too many of phone reviews. Start spending more time with RC and less time with phones. Check this out, the Fatty F14 Tomcat. And here's a sample of the video shot with the 16 megapixel selfie camera in my room while I'm speaking. You can also hear the sound quality recorded with the microphone. Welcome to my room as usual. Always busy, cramped, messy. And here I'm wearing the Doogee AJ01 glasses. Now you might be wondering why I always stand here and take pictures like this. Is because the AR Wing Pro FPV wing in the background actually looks like I grew horns, evil horns. So yes, the glasses are nice and comfortable actually. However, music quality is not that good because these are open ear and they are not going in the air as well. The sound is actually coming from here on both sides, so no matter how loud, even you go full volume on your phone, the sound is not very loud. As soon as there's some wind or you're on bicycle, you start running, there's no sound at all. So these glasses basically are okay to wear outside when there is a lot of sun. And regarding listening to music, they will be okay only when you are indoors in a quiet room. You can enjoy music, otherwise So these are AJ01 Smart Glasses, and to be honest, they're okay to wear during the sunshine, but not good for listening to music. That's my personal and honest opinion. Thanks for watching this video. One thing for sure, in a budget phone, if you're paying for this phone and you're getting these many goodies, that's really a good deal right here. Now before I end this video, do let me know in the video comments if we should put this phone on a giveaway or not. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications so you stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Have fun people, and more videos coming your way.